Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Sudoku Medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 13th, 2022. And I've told you earlier, we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. So a lot of puzzles today. But the second one is a medium Sudoku, a regular one, yes. And news of today, well, I've told you earlier, day number 140. 140 days ago, they started a war in Ukraine. Yes, that's the news of today. Well, let me continue with the medium Sudoku. Sudoku number 4843. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my target, my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in that box. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in this box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here 6 in this column, so no 6 here. The only place left for the 6 should be here. So 2 numbers are left, 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Alright. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. So 2, 3, 4, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So the other 2 numbers in this column, the last column, are the 2 and the 8 are left. The 2 and the 8 are left. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Oh wait, oh wait. Cannot fill this yet. The 3 and the 4 need to wait. Yeah. How about? One. I'm scanning. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 4 is missing and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. Alright. Then. 8. Yeah. How about? Well, we have a pair. 2 and a 5 in the third row. 2 and a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the I forgot here. 3 and 4 are left in the last column. Now we have a 4 there in the first row. So no 4 here. The 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. Alright. 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the row above, so no 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 8 minutes already passed. Okay. Let me see. How about the 6 in this row? The 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 in this row. Oh, wait. Yeah, the 9 in the last row. The 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row. So no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be here. The one in this row, the one in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see, the 3 in this column, the 3 in the column, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this middle column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, okay. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this last row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. This is number 6, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Need to move faster. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Because it's a 1 star. Yeah, definitely a 1 star. Well, Sudoku Medium, 1 star. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Yes. The publisher has not placed any killer Sudokus in the additional, so Only on Wednesday we have one killer Sudoku. Sudoku mix. I like those puzzles. Sudokus, yes, killer Sudokus. Anyway, see you later. Until then, bye bye for now.